Deep in the rainforests of Central Africa lives one of the most intelligent birds on Earth, the Congo Grey Parrot. Known for its striking silver feathers and bright red tail, this parrot is a master of mimicry. Studies show it can learn hundreds of words, understand sounds, and even solve complex problems, skills rarely seen in the animal kingdom. In the wild, gray parrots form tight social groups, communicating constantly as they search for fruits, nuts, and seeds. Brilliant, social, and deeply emotional, the Congo Grey Parrot remains one of nature's most remarkable thinkers.